How to fix Yahoo Mail verification code problem. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can fix if you are facing a problem receiving your verification code on Yahoo. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you are checking in with the right phone number or your backup email for the code. If you have entered the wrong information, then you might not get the verification code. So while you're able to sign in, make sure that you have provided your correct phone number or correct backup email so that you will receive the code. But if that's not your case, and still if you're not able to get the code, ensure that you have strong internet connection in your device. If your connection is weak, then also you may not get the code, so ensure your network connection. If that still does not help you on your mobile device, check for any of the SMS blocker application. If you have blocked the SMS also, then you will be not able to receive the verification code. And if you're not able to find it, if you have provided your recovery email, then you may have to check the spam folder as well. Sometimes the code will be sent to you and it will get to the spam folder, so open up Gmail and then check your spam folder and check if you can find it there or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to wait for a few minutes and then try to receive the code again. There under the code verification code section, you will have an option to resend code. Tap on resend code and then you will receive another code if there is any problem there. So you have to wait for a while, and also make sure that the code that you're typing is not expired. You have to make sure that the code is valid and active so that it will work for the verification. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if you're not able to fix the Yahoo Mail verification problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.